Hi everyone! In this video, I shall show you how to distribute items on 3D surfaces. First, we must have created a forest using a generate or icon mode. Then, select it, modify, open surface rollout. From here, we can add 3D surfaces or delete it. Also, we have multiple adding icon. Press and hold Ctrl key, then select the surfaces and press Add. If we are making changes on the surface of the forest, click Refresh so the forest follow the changes, or click Auto to automatically follow the changes. There are two modes to distribute items on a surface: XY mode and UV mode. XY mode distributes the items according to the XY coordinates, then relocate them on the Z axis. Also, if the surface contains overlapped areas, the XY mode will ignore the overlapped parts, unless each surface was added as a separate object. Here we have the surface as one edit poly. But here, each surface is a separate object. This example shows how the XY mode projects the item according to the XY coordinates. But switching to UV mode will distribute items according to the UVs of the surface. We may apply a UV modifier to control the distribution. So it's recommended to use the UV mode with the overlapped surfaces or the rough terrain. With both modes, we have option to adjust the direction of the items. Let's switch to the UV mode and see the difference between UV and the XY projection. In the real world, like in the photo, planets rarely grows on the sharp slopes, or some species grows only to specific heights. From altitude range window, we can manage a height limitations from the top or from the bottom of the surface. Also, it is possible to edit altitude, density, and scale falloff. Same for slope range window. We can define the maximum and minimum slope angle and edit slope density and scale falloff.